So friends, let's see today's easy, quick and delicious tamarind Saar recipe which goes well with some hot steamed rice. It's a super easy recipe and you must try it out. So here I've taken 4 to 5 teaspoons of this tamarind chutney which we use for our bhel or shea batata puri. This is an easier method. The other way is that you soak some tamarind and some jaggery for about 15 minutes in some water and squeeze out the pulp. I'll leave all the instructions in the description box below. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of water and we're going to mix this really well. Let me go show you the other ingredients as well. So here I have about 5 to 6 fresh curry leaves that I've just torn into smaller pieces. This is 1 light green chilli which I've chopped fine. 1 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Now this is 1 medium-sized onion that I've sliced thin and then cut it into smaller pieces like this. About 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander, some salt to taste, and this is 1 inch of ginger that I've peeled and chopped really fine. So let's start with the recipe. So here I've heated up my pan, and once the pan is nice and hot, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, we're going to add the cumin seeds. So this is a half teaspoon measure. So I'm using 2, that is 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Let it splutter. Next we're going to add our green chilli and fry it really well so that it flavors the oil. This is not a very spicy chilli. Then we're going to add the curry leaves. Fry the curry leaves a little. Next we're going to go with the asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon. Mix everything really well. Next we're going to add the finely chopped ginger and fry this well too. And now you're going to turn off the heat and let this bagar or fodni come to room temperature. Next we're going to add this tamarind water or tamarind and water mixture. Remember the heat is off. Give it a good mix. Next we're going to add some salt to taste. So I'm going roughly with about half a teaspoon, but you can adjust it according to your taste. Mix everything well. Next we're going to add some coriander leaves for garnish. And the onion as well. So this is a really quick dish. It is something you can just prepare in a jiffy, and it is really delicious and it's very light on the tummy as well. So I like to have this with some hot rice. You can accompany it with some pickle, papad, some vegetable dish that you prepared for the day. So this is a real easy recipe. I hope you give it a try and leave your comments in the comment section below. Please go and check out my other recipes. I will be putting up monsoon recipes on my channel. So stay tuned to Akshata's recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you soon in my next recipe. Bye. Like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.